Hello, Nadine here, and today I'm going to make a pretty flower card. I'm going to be using some VersaMark, some Mboss embossing powder in gold, and some different colors in VersaColor. So the first thing I did, I cut out a die cut circle and some gold cardstock, and then also I did in white cardstock. And then I used an embossing folder. This is Regency Swirl Gemini 3D embossing folder. I just ran it through there, and so I gave it some texture. So that was the first thing I did. So moving that out of the way. Okay, so using a piece of watercolored paper right here, and then I'm going to also use this stamp from Cracker Box and Susie Stamps. It's a cling red rubber stamp. So with my Misty here, since it is the thicker red rubber stamp, I'm going to take out the foam padding. Put that in there. And then I am going to stamp this with the VersaMark ink. And then I'm going to heat emboss it with the gold Mboss embossing powder. And also with the watercolor paper, I should have said, one side is really textured, I don't know if you can see that, and then the other side is more smooth. I am stamping on the smoother side. Okay, so with the VersaColor, I'm going to use Marigold and Orange. Just stamp some onto my craft mat over here. Actually, I guess I'm smushing it, not stamping it. And then using a watercolor brush, just add some water to it. And then I'm going to go to the petals of the flowers. Do the lighter, the Marigold, on the tips of the petals, and then more of the orange towards the base, and blend the two together. And then I'm going to do this on all of the flowers. Okay, so now that I have the flowers colored, I'm going to do the same thing with fresh green and also green. Okay, so now that I got my flower all watercolored in, I fussy cut it out. So there it is, and in the center of the flowers I used VersaColor and bark. I didn't need a lot of it because most of it is with the embossing powder, but I just wanted to fill in those few little white dots that were in there. So now I am going to assemble my card using my Xyron tape runner here. I have a orange color that matches the flowers. Okay, so I took a Hello die. This is from Poppy Stamps. It's Hello, their Brush Hello die. And I ran it through my Xyron sticker maker. And I also, when I cut it out, I used the same gold paper or cardstock that I used behind the circle. So I'm going to add that about there. And I think I'll put the flowers right about there. Add some adhesive to the back of the flowers. And then there it is. My card is completed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I would love a thumbs up if you like what you saw. See you next time. Bye-bye.